Hi, I'm Christina McGoldrick with This Week in Santa Clarita. Right now, we're here at the city's transit maintenance facility to talk about the new TIN program. We're here with Adrian Aguilar, interim transit coordinator for the city's transit division. Adrian, tell us more about this TIN program.
Well, TIN actually stands for Transit Information Network. And what it is, it's a system that involves many elements. One is an AVL system that we've installed on all our buses. It allows us to track the location of the buses. And then this information is used to transmit to the customer so that they know what time the bus is going to be arriving at a certain location, where the bus is along the route, and hopefully get them the information they need so that the system is easier to use.
We just demoed the program. It's really neat. There's 4 major components of the TIN program. Can you tell us about those?
Yeah, the first component is the actual technology, the hardware itself. And what we use is GPS transmitters that have been installed in all the buses. And we use that to get the data as far as the vehicle locations, travel speeds, as the locations in terms of the routes. The other element is the customer information side of things, and that includes websites. We have a website that shows the arrival time for various buses. We have a component that allows people to dial in and get the information over the phone. They can get it on their PDA. And then the last thing is the units that we're installing at major stop locations. This includes LCD, LED, and bus finder units that people can see arrival information in real time. So,
I know Santa Clarita is one of the first cities in California to implement these bus finders. They're really going to help people locate their buses and decrease that kind of anticipation for their wait time.
yeah, it's a relatively neat technology. It's as you said, it's new to Southern California, and what's nice about them, they're relatively inexpensive compared to some of the other technology currently available. The other is they're battery powered, so they can be installed just about anywhere. We don't need to run electricity. We can mount them on a standard pole, and it gives people the information that they need, primarily what time the bus is going to be there. This program it also includes a lot of tools that we could use from the administrative side of things to monitor the performance of the system. We know when buses are running late. We know when buses are running early, which is just as bad in transit. We also know if there's problems with the schedule, changing traffic conditions, road construction, all these things have impact on our system, so that we're able to monitor the effects of these changing patterns on the system and the system's on-time performance.
When can community members look for the TIN program to be implemented?
They should start seeing things already. All our bus stops throughout the city have all been geocoded and all been equipped with a unique ID number that allows passengers to identify that specific location. We are also in the process of installing some bus finder units, and those should be up by the end of this year. And then the next phase of that will be the LED displays, and then the LCD displays that will be installed at major locations such as the Metrolink stations and the transfer station that will show all the routes feeding into it, similar to what you see in an airport terminal. So they'll be able to see all the routes, all the times, and all the departures.
To stay updated on the Transit Information Network's implementation and its arrival here in Santa Clarita, visit santa-clarita.com.